Apart from that, we have several other connections, right? So again, if I go to the connections, if I click, and then there would be some REST API, SOAP API connections, which we are going to create, right? Whenever we hit those particular topics, right? Apart from that, if you have a SQL Server database installed, right, you can create a connection for that, right? Or in real time, maybe if you have, I would say MySQL connection, MS Access, right? FTP, SFTP, all those connections according to the use case you can, you know, create like Amazon S3 connection, right? So those all can be configured as per your requirement, okay? Or a Snowflake for that matter. If you're using Snowflake as one of the source or target applications, you can create Snowflake connections as well. So it is about to set the right properties, right? And then you can create the connection. Only one thing which would be common is the runtime environment, which will tell us which instance we are going to connect. Here we will have the default runtime, default as in like the one which we have configured, right? Which would have the computer name, right? So that runtime environment we will use, not the Informatica Cloud hosted agent we need to use, right? We'll use that one which we have configured on our own. Okay. So if I go to the syllabus, we talked about what are the different connections and the properties, how to configure a connection, right? How to configure Oracle and flat file connection. Flat file connection we discussed, and then we'll discuss about the add-on connections now. So apart from these different types, right? Is this the exhaustive list of connections? Right? No, right? We have more connections as well. Say for example, we have like different applications, right? More than whatever listed over here. So can't we access them? We can, right? So for that matter, what I need to do is I need to go to the add-on connectors, and here I'll get all the possible connectors Informatica Cloud can provide, the add-on connectors, right? So here we will have the exhaustive list of connections which Informatica Cloud offers, right? So here if you see, and I can find a particular connection by its name. So Snowflake and all I have already installed, right? Let me check Salesforce. So if I type Salesforce, right, I get how many? Almost five different connections, right? So Salesforce, Workday Financial Integration, Salesforce Analytics, and all, right? What we need is this Salesforce connector, and then what I need to do is like I'll just click on this start free trial. Now what does that mean, start free trial? So first point is our account itself is a trial account, right? And that is why everything is for trial only. But in real time, right, whenever you have your license accounts provided by your clients, right, for that account also, we need to have the connection. So whenever you are going to purchase a license from Informatica, right, then that time we will list all the connections which we need to use, right? So I know that in my project I'll be using a flat file connection or Oracle connection, SQL Server, Salesforce, Snowflake, right? All those applications which I'm going to integrate data into or from, I'll list those, and then I'll provide that list to the client, to Informatica, and then accordingly those all connection types would be provisioned for me. Okay. And then on top of it, say for example, if I got introduced with some new application, right, which were not earlier listed and the connection type was not purchased, right, then that connection, first of all, I'll go to add-on connectors, I'll click on this start free trial. So if I do that, right, then it says 30 days of Salesforce connector will be provisioned to your organization. If I click OK, then I'll get a message that less than 30 minutes you will see the connection connection type appearing, right? And then it actually doesn't take 30 minutes. Now it must have already been uh, you know gone to the list of connections type. I'll show you that, right? But then the point is, beyond 30 days this I would say free trial will get expire, and then after that we will have to purchase this connection type separately from Informatica product team. Okay, so that's the point. So it is not only because we are having the free Informatica Cloud account, but for license accounts also, the connections which are not present in my default types, right? those connections I'll have to explore from the add-on connectors, and then they will also be present for 30 days of trial period. Right? That is why it is important to purchase all the types upfront from Informatica while purchasing the license for the product. Okay, and then the default type of connections like flat file, Oracle, ODBC, SQL Server, MySQL, right? Those would already be present. I don't have to even call them which connectors I need, right? But there would be some special applications, right? Salesforce, or I would say um, Snowflake and all, right? So those I'll have to kind of list. Okay, now as soon as I have clicked on the start free trial, and now if I go back to the connections, click new, and then so now I can see the Salesforce, right? Salesforce type added to the list. That is how we can keep on, adding the connections from the add-on connectors tab. Okay. So this point is also, is it? Yes. Right, so I can mark these topics. It was a small module. So we have completed this.